Hi, Agent Blazers. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. Navigating the academic journey can be overwhelming. High school students face challenges such as finding the right schools, managing application deadlines, and crafting strong materials. College students struggle with course planning, registration, and staying on top of tuition deadlines. AdVenture, powered by Agentforce, transforms this complexity into simplicity. In this demo, we'll show you two real-life scenarios. A Harvard freshman looking for intermediate courses related to models and statistics and enrolling them in the perfect fit. A high school student applying for Cornell University as a marketing major with streamlined guidance. All right, so let's check this out. So we're on the AdVenture site, and here we can interact with our agent. And here we have the Adventure Agent, your AI guide to finding the perfect university. So let's get started. In this scenario, I am a freshman at Harvard University, and I'm looking for intermediate courses related to models. Can you recommend courses for me? And it came back with a models class at Harvard University called Introduction to Linear Models and Matrix Algebra. And it provides all this information, start and end date, course URL, and it asks if I'd like to enroll or need more recommendations. And I am going to say, can I enroll in this course? And here it says it can proceed with enrollment, but it needs some more information from me. So I'm going to provide my name, Jeff Miner, and the email address. And it says it successfully enrolled me in that class. Now it's pending and the payment hasn't been paid yet. And what other assistance do I need? So I'm going to go and look at additional intermediate courses that I can take, and this time related to statistics. Great. And it came back and it found another course, Statistics in R, and it provided me with the information. And I'm going to say, let's go ahead and enroll me. And it successfully registered me in that Statistics in R class. And if I go to Salesforce, I'll see that Geoff Miner is indeed registered for the Introduction to Linear Models in Matrix Algebra and Statistics and R. So now let's go back to Adventure, and this time I'm a high school student looking to enroll in a college. And I'm looking to enroll as a marketing major at Cornell University. So I'm going to ask about that. Now it needs a little bit more detail, so I'm going to provide it with information. And it comes back and says, great, you're all set. Now let's proceed with your interest in enrolling as a marketing major at Cornell. Would you like me to check your chances? And it comes back and lets me know that I have a high chance of getting approved as a marketing major at Cornell University with an acceptance rate of 95%. And I can go on and proceed with the application or continue on. And that's how AdVenture created an agent to help high school and college students help make navigating the academic journey less intimidating. I'd like to give a shout out to Team AgentDreamer for creating this agent at the Hackathon NYC event.